Hello again folks, this is the last model from the Meccano Maker System 3 model insects set, and it is, as far as I can tell, a grasshopper. That seems to be the consensus of opinion, although I'm not quite sure. It's got a few more foibles with the build. First up, stage 1, the angle of the antennae at the front there doesn't show it correctly. It shows that as horizontal, not a little bit canted up there. You look on the next stage, it shows you. The main plastic body of the model, this bit here with this sort of like P-shaped brace girder, in the vast majority of the instructions it's just a black blob, which doesn't help you at all with a few of the positions of some bolts. It's so dark, it's just a blob, and I think all but one of the stages it's like that. Now sometimes you can see in the instructions when it's like this that it may be not really needed, but in this one it is. It's just a blob, and it's probably the worst thing with the instructions that's most annoying. Hinges here connect these little wings. They do move, but not very easily, because I tend to move on, because only one bolt fixing on the hinge there, they tend to move around a bit. But you can see from here, there, and more so the other side in there, the 9.5mm bolts are close to part of the main body and can catch. Also, the instructions, and this is hard to show you, but I think I can. Yeah, just about. Right. The instructions show the hinges fitted with the actual hinge pin part there, the sticky out bit there, right in there. Just turn the pin around. Just there. That's where the pin fits to form the pivot of the hinge. So in there. Shows that fitting against the wing, and thus you cannot fit the wing, not flush anyway. So therefore you just turn the hinge round so that the hinge pin is against the body itself and away from the plastic wing there. It does help to give a bit more of clearance as well, but it's not perfect, as you can see, and I'm forever messing about with the angle of the wings to try and get it looking something like the model shown, which means the top of the wing is more or less parallel with the body there, both sides, but it's still not square. You can just catch in on the body in there. So here we are. Not much to it. The hind legs don't move, but yes, it's okay. It's quite colourful, quite cute, you might say, but it isn't. I won't say it's the worst model. Not that it makes any difference. I suppose it means the same. It's the least enjoyable build from the 3 models in the set.